In this video, we're going to be breaking down the editing of Destroy Lonely's new music video, Jumanji, together. I thought it looks super crazy, and the style that's in it is like pretty simple, but I'm going to show you all of this sauce in this video, all in Premiere Pro. By the way, if you don't know me yet, my name is Gus. I run the Friendly File store where I sell editing packs, presets, and templates that are meant to make you level up as an editor instantly with drag and drop presets and so much more. So if you're interested in any of that, you can check the link down below. Now let's break this down. I'm going to show you how you can create this text effect right here, how to create this same style of font, and also how to do this like flickering text. It's like such a simple effect, but it looks pretty nice. It honestly looks so far like this. So let's not waste any more time. We're going to create a new text layer, pressing T, and we're going to type Young Vamp Live, just like that. Then you press enter. So what I did is I went to properties and I chose the inner font, which is pretty close to like if we check the other one, it's pretty close to the actual font like in the music video. Doesn't have to be the exact same, but since we're breaking it down, yeah, this is like pretty accurate, if not the exact same font. And what really helped is that with the tracking of the text right here, so it used to be like this. So you basically just want to drag it down just like that to like -62. So once we have the text just like this, now that that effect is done, we're now going to do that flickering text effect. Let's do this together. So in the effects controls over text layer, we can just keyframe the opacity and make it go from 100, and then you go arrow to the right, and then let's do 0. Real quick, before we continue with the tutorial, I need to put you onto my branded preset pack, New Wave FX V2. If you want to stand out as an editor, have crazy transitions, grungy transitions, trippy transitions, a bunch of presets that are going to make you stand out and that fit the whole new wave aesthetic from artists like Fake Mink, Netspan, Che, and many more, this is the pack for you. There are over 30 plus drag and drop presets that you can simply slap on any adjustment layer and will instantly transform your videos. This is one of my favorite packs I've ever made. Creators love it and I use it on every single one of my projects. The presets will be sent to you instantly after you purchase. If you want to copy it, I'll even have a code for 15% off down below. Make sure you check it out. With that said, let's get right into this tutorial. And then the one after, you just keep going and do it accordingly. That's if you want to do like a fast flicker effect. So if you want to do it for like a long period of time, what you can do is just, let's zoom in right here. We can just select all of our keyframes, press Command C to copy paste, and then Command V. This really sick flickering right here. That looks super clean. Also, if you want to make like a flicker that is a bit slower, all you gotta do is, let's say we start again, we can make it appear right here after a frame, and then for like 3 frames long, keep it like this, and then we keyframe it again, and then go 3 frames forward once again, click again, and then the one after, we turn it off, 1, 2, 3, click again, 100%. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. So now we should have this. So now it's like a slower text effect that he uses as well. If you want to sauce it up some more, you can even make the blending mode different. That way you get this opium style text effect, which looks pretty dope. The other look that's very prominent in this music video is the fact that it has a very like low saturated look. It almost looks like black and white, but you can see the color slightly. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go. So as an example, I grabbed this Playboi Carti music video right here. As you can see, it is like super saturated. So it's a perfect example to kind of apply this color correction on it. So we're going to go to effects and presets and type I'm so used to After Effects, and type Lumetri color. And then we're going to drag it on there, go to effects controls, and then in basic correction, we're gonna go to saturation and just crank it down a little. That way it almost looks black and white, but you can also see the color slightly. So this is like that kind of style that they applied. Another effect I want to cover is like this flicker effect right here. I think they did it like, not like digitally. I think they had like a flickering light on set. But if you want to do it like in Premiere Pro, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new solid right here. So we're gonna go to item and then create actually a black video, simple as that. And then we can drag it on right here. And then it's pretty much the same principle as with the text. You just go on opacity and then you can make it flicker just like this, 1 frame after another. Just gonna copy paste those now, and as you can see, we get this super sick flickering text effect. So we could have this flickering text effect, and then it goes to a black screen, let's say. So let's do like this. Let's cut this off, and then we could drag our text effect that we had earlier on, like something like that. Super fire. That was it for today. This was a quick breakdown. I feel like this style is pretty simplistic, pretty minimalistic, but I still wanted to cover it because it's super nice in my opinion, and it's all about using the right fonts, like creating that vibe that you want in a music video. If you like this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing. Please let me know also what tutorials you want to see next on this channel so I can flood you guys with all of this knowledge. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.